Hi everyone, welcome to online class. Today I will take a class on English second paper. Today's topics is article. At first we have to know what is article. Before going to inner of these topics, we have to know, obviously we have to know about what is article. We already know about article. If we ask you what is article, then obviously you will tell an and the is article. But if you know the details before going inner of these topics, then obviously you can know many things about article. What is article? Noun is indicated by which things that is called article. অর্থাৎ যা দ্বারা কোনো নাউনকে নির্দিষ্ট বা অনির্দিষ্ট করে নির্দেশ করা হয় তাকে আর্টিকেল বলে। Always article indicate the noun, not other things. The classification of article. There are two kinds of article, indefinite article and definite article. Now we have to know what is indefinite article. Indefinite article. Which article indicate the noun without specification, that is called indefinite article. অর্থাৎ যে আর্টিকেল দ্বারা নাউনকে অনির্দিষ্টভাবে নির্দেশ করা হয় তাকে ইনডিফিনিট আর্টিকেল বলা হয়। A and the a and an is indefinite article. Definite article. Now we have to know what is definite article. Which article specifically indicate the noun that is called definite article. অর্থাৎ যে আর্টিকেল নির্দিষ্টভাবে নাউনকে বিশেষভাবে নাউনকে বলে সেটা হচ্ছে definite article. The is definite article. The source of a, an and the. অর্থাৎ a, an এবং the কোথা থেকে আসলো তার একটা উৎস রয়েছে। Now we will know the source of a, an and the. If you follow this one, then it will be more clear to you. From one we get an, and from an we get a. From that we get the. Where to use article usually? আমরা সচরাচর কোথায় আর্টিকেল ব্যবহার করব? Generally, article is used before the noun. আমরা জানি সাধারণত আর্টিকেল ব্যবহার করতে হয় নাউনের পূর্বে। But sometimes they are used before the adjective and adverb also. কিন্তু মাঝে মাঝে adverb এবং adjective-এর আগেও আর্টিকেল ব্যবহৃত হয়। Have a look. চলো একটু লক্ষ্য করি। I have written here some sentences. If you follow the sentences, then you will get some problem here. The Rina is playing football. She has pen. Rima likes the gold. She is in a class 11. She has a patriotism. There is some mistake. Now you see this one. Rina is playing football. Before Rina there was the. I have deleted here the because Rina is proper noun. Before the proper noun we should not use article. Next one, she has a pen. In that page you will follow that before the pen there is no article, but pen is common noun. For that, before the common noun we have to use article. For that I have written here a. Rima likes gold. In the previous page you will see that before the gold there is the, but I have deleted here because gold is material noun. Before the material noun we should not use article. Next one, class 6, class 11. This one is collective noun. Before collective noun also we should not use article. Patriotism is abstract noun. Before the abstract noun also we cannot use article. So we can say that article is used only before the common noun singular number. Obviously common noun, obviously that should be singular number. Thank you everybody. I will take another class on article in the next class. Thank you.